Here's a 2019 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, push-button start, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive BMW. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.